Well, I started making guitars about, I don't know, 15 years ago, and it all came about because I decided at the time, maybe it was part of my second or third midlife crisis, that I really needed to have an electric guitar. Actually, I didn't need one, but I felt I wanted one. And after looking around, I had a good woodworking shop, so I thought, well, why not make one? It can't be that hard, really. I bought a book and bought some wood, and I made a guitar. And several months later, it was a pretty good guitar. I really enjoyed playing it. And I thought, well, no, I can make a better one than that. So I started making a second one, and then I made a third one, and it just went on from there. And it became a habit and something I just loved doing. So I started repairing guitars, customizing guitars, whatever I could do to work on a guitar to raise my skill level. So I'm substantially self-taught. Yes, I've learnt from other people. I've learnt from watching things and studying things and reading lots of books, but I really didn't go to a guitar making school and learn. And here I am now. It's what I love doing, and for, I guess about the last 4 years, it's been my primary occupation.